Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am the Detail Hot Lap. This is a third car of the day. You'll be seeing videos throughout the week, whatnot. We're just gonna go ahead and clean the vehicle off using a wash mitt, let it air dry. We might actually take a blower to it. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is clean the undercarriage of the vehicle. Clean the undercarriage, make sure that there's no salt or road grime under the vehicle, that way it causes some rust over a long period of time. Next thing we want to go ahead and do is rinse off the vehicle, get it all rinsed off, get all the dirt and grime off the vehicle, and then we want to go ahead and use a soap application. We want to throw some foam on it, some soap foam, and then once we're done with that, we'll use a wash mitt. We'll clean off the car, and then we'll rinse it again, and then we'll let it air dry. And then part of this video we'll go ahead and use a blower on the vehicle to clean off the rest of the water in case you do have hard water spots from either the sun or just due to how hard and mineralized your water is. I have soft water, so I really don't have to worry about that right now. But in the case of you do have hard water and you are known to have hot water or hard water spots, it's good to blow off the vehicle, make sure it's clean, and make sure it does not leave that mineralized hard water spots on the vehicle. Let's get into it. So the first thing I like doing is rinsing off the vehicle. Make sure it is as clean as possible before I use the foam cannon. Now I use the foam cannon
on the vehicle. If you guys are interested in anything that I use, it is down in the description for you guys to look at, to purchase. If you use my affiliate link and purchase something, it goes back into the channel, so it'd help out greatly. Then I like to use a wash mitt on the vehicle. I use a top-down method, split the car into two, but due to this thing being a daily driver over 200,000 miles, I'm not too worried about swirls and scratches, but basically to eliminate that is using the top-down method. And the last step I like doing is rinsing off the vehicle. Make sure that all the soap and dirt is off the vehicle. Once I'm done with that, I'll leave it to dry. If you want to use a blower, you can, or a drying towel. A drying towel is fantastic as it is quickly dry the vehicle, so you don't have to worry about any water spots. At the end of the video, there is a transformation of how everything is so clean. This is great to do any time of the year. I like doing this just to maintain my vehicle. Alright, thanks for watching the video, guys. Hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.